Hey, I'm Chris. I'm a doctoral student here at Pursuit Physical Therapy. So today we're going to teach you how to hip hinge. So we'll be using a handy PVC pipe. If you don't have a pipe, you can use some sort of broom or Swiffer handle or anything like that. So when hinging, a lot of people tend to lean over like this with their back, but it's actually supposed to come from the hips, hinging over. So imagine like your hips are a bowl of water, pouring out the water with your hips. You're here, hinging over this way. So a good trick you can do to make sure that you're hinging with your hips and not rounding with the back is to use a PVC pipe. You can have it on the hips, upper back, and then back of the head, and then hinging over this way, sending the hips back, keeping a slight knee bend, so you see it's coming from the hips and not from the back. And also I'm not doing like this, so everything is from here. So you can work it that way and then slowly hinging over like this, making sure that your back's flat, and then eventually going over to a kettlebell. Starting off, bend knees, hinging over from here, and then all of a sudden you just drive the legs and squeeze the glutes. So hinging over, tap, and then just bring the hips through, squeezing the butt forward.